Hey, poor guy outdoor cooking. We're outdoors and we're gonna get rained on here pretty quick. We ended up getting ourselves a little canopy here to make it easier for us to cook outdoors. Hey, we're gonna cook these sliders. For better words, I don't know what you really want to call them. We got some turkey breasts right there, peppered, that look real good. We got them from the deli. Some cheddar cheese, some caramelized onions, and these King's Hawaiian slider buns. Luckily, they're already sliced, so we don't have to worry about that. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. But I do want to talk about one thing real quick, and we're going to have to get through this video quicker than I want to, but it shouldn't be that involved. I got a card from a good friend. Most of you know her, Annie, Annie Smoking Pot on YouTube. Um, she sent me this card, and there was a little bit of drama because we moved and it got lost and got back to her. Anyway, so we got a sticker from Annie for her channel, and I haven't quite figured out where I want to put all my stickers and magnets yet at the new place, but thank you for that, Annie. And she wrote quite a nice card. I'm not going to read it all to you folks, but I did want to talk about Annie a little bit. And most of you that know me know her and know what she's going through right now. Uh, and she's decided to put her YouTube channel on hold for quite some time so she can get better, get through this disease that she got. It's beating her up pretty good, but Annie doesn't want our pity. She doesn't want us to feel bad for her. She would like our love, support, and prayers for those of you that do pray. We've been praying for Annie for quite some time now. She's a good friend. And I asked her through text yesterday, I said, hey, how do you pronounce that name of that disease? And you can all look it up because I don't know a lot about it other than what she's told me. Let's see if I can get this right. El Capater, El Capaternia. El Capaternia. El Capaternia. How's that, Annie? El Capaternia. Yeah, it's quite a name. But it's got her down right now, and she's going to get better. But I'm sure she would appreciate the prayers, and I will share a link to her YouTube channel if you don't know her already, and send her a message, and still watch her old videos would help her out. But I just wanted to get that out, talk about Annie. Peace, Annie. Let's get these going. So I've never made sliders, at least these kind. I've made hamburger sliders, but never like a sandwich slider. So let's get these Hawaiian rolls out of here as best we can. Now we're gonna cook these on the ZGRILLS again. Um, we all know that pedal smokers are great for smoking meats, and but they're also great for baking. So if you want, come on now, you bugger. If you want to do some, well, okay. Well, that's not really what I wanted. Okay, these are a little sticky, as you can see.
Hawaiian rolls are always sticky.
They are, aren't they?
They're sweet.
Yep, here comes the rain. So hopefully you can hear me. So this is going to be a little complicated at this point since they fell apart. I want to kind of butter the bottom. Not with a lot. This is garlic and herb butter that Aiden made up for us. Just to get a little bit on the bottom. And then we're going to try to somehow flip these over. Yeah, we'll throw that there for a minute. Hey, maybe I got an idea here. Oh, there's Buddy. Come here, Buddy. Well, that semi worked. So here's the idea. We're going to take these and we're going to stuff them. We're going to put some cheese. Just plain old sharp, extra sharp cheddar cheese from Walmart. I'm going to layer some cheese on. This cheese is good. By golly. You okay, Buddy? Yeah, Buddy's okay. And then we're going to do some of this turkey meat. Now, originally I thought about doing a roast beef one. Well, I don't know. I saw this at the deli and I was like, man, that looks good. We're just going to layer that on there. As best we can. think we'll do 2 layers of this. Oh yeah, the flies are here. Oh, flies, come on, work with me a little bit. Just go away. Oh, the wind is picking up. Whoa, whoa. All right, I didn't get anything to put the, I forgot a utensil to put the onions on, but I'm just going to use my hands for now. My hands are clean, folks. I promise. Now we're going to do 2 sets of these. This one's going to have the onions, and the other one is not going to have the onions. Boy, we're just a mess here today. Folks, here in central Oklahoma, it hasn't rained in over a month. And it hasn't rained all day long. This is what we got. We're going to do another layer of cheese on top of that. Right? Oh, heck yeah. Mile High Guy BBQ. We're going to drizzle some barbecue sauce on here. Oh yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Yeah, a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Wind's picking up. Boy, this is good stuff right here. And we'll get our buns. And some more garlic butter herb sauce. I got the ladies looking out at us from the window. The comforts of home. We're going to pop this in the smoker at 350 degrees till that cheese gets melted and these buns get nicey nice. Watch. Oh yeah. There she pops. Whoop. There she is. All right, we're going to make the other one. We're going to come right back. What the heck? Jeez. Well, as you can see, it rained. It rained hard. But we got through it. Little buddy was out there with Ada and I. And we got these on. They're not on there as long as they should have been, but it looks pretty good to me. The cheese is melted. We had to cover these up with foil and then run them into the house real fast. So I wanted to get out the one with the onions. I made a mistake. This is the one without the onions, but you get the idea. I might stick them back in the oven for just a little bit to get them more melty. But man, they look good. They smell really good. And they taste really good. These are good. Ooh, these are really good. I'll tell you that herb and garlic butter. Delicious, delicious, I tell you. Okay. I'm joking. Another great slider. If you haven't tried these, throw some bacon on there. That was an afterthought, but it's too late. Well, that was quite a storm, but we're welcoming the rain. Like I said, it hasn't rained here in probably a month, so. But it came down. It came down hard, and but we got through it. Okay, that's all I got. Those are really delicious. Give those a try. Perfect for game day. I'm just saying. I'll share some information for our friend Annie, Annie Smoking Pot. She's got a Facebook and all that, so put that down in the description part of this video. And buddy's like, oh man, I want some of that. Okay, before we get out there cooking, like, comment, subscribe, please. That'd be great. Peace.